Welcome to this comprehensive lesson on mastering the art of face shaving, head shaving, and beard design. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, understanding the procedures and considerations for each service is essential. We'll explore the knowledge, training, and practice required to become skillful at facial hair services. Skilled barbers are highly sought after, and their expertise in these areas can set them apart in the industry. Throughout this video, you'll learn step-by-step techniques, safety precautions, and the best practices for achieving predictable and professional results. Let's begin by appreciating the importance of skillful shaving and beard design in modern grooming. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe the procedures for performing face shaving, head shaving, and beard design services. We'll break down each process into manageable steps, ensuring you understand not only how to perform these services but also why each step matters. This structured approach will help you build confidence and consistency in your work. Whether you're preparing for a client or practicing on your own, these skills will serve as the foundation for professional grooming. Let's move forward and dive into the critical skills needed for successful face shaving. Several skills are critical to the success of a face shaving service. These include preparation, lathering, shaving, and post-shave treatment. Mastering each of these procedures ensures predictable results and client satisfaction. Preparation sets the stage for a comfortable and safe shave. Lathering softens the hair and protects the skin. Shaving requires precision and technique, and post-shave treatment soothes and restores the skin. Let's take a closer look at each step, starting with proper preparation. Proper preparation prior to shaving is crucial for preventing razor burn and other skin issues. This step involves ensuring the skin is clean, analyzing the hair and skin, and setting up the client comfortably. Preparation not only protects the client but also helps the barber deliver a smooth and effective shave. By taking the time to prepare, you minimize risks and create a positive experience for your client. Next, we'll discuss the draping process, which is an important precaution in professional shaving. Draping is a standard precaution used to prevent the spread of disease during shaving services. Begin by seating the client comfortably in an upright barber chair, turning the collar inside and covering the headrest. The first towel is placed diagonally across the chest and tucked into the neckband, followed by a cape over the shoulders. The second towel is positioned and tucked in the same manner as the first. A paper towel is placed on one side for wiping the razor blade during the service. These steps ensure both hygiene and comfort for the client. Before beginning a face or head shave, a skin analysis is performed to identify possible contraindications, texture, growth patterns, and grain changes. This assessment helps determine the best approach for shaving and ensures that any potential issues are addressed before the service begins. By understanding the client's skin and hair characteristics, you can tailor your technique for optimal results and safety. Let's move on to preparing the skin with hot towels. Applying hot towels to the face is a key step in preparing for a shaving service. The heat softens the hair, opens the pores, and relaxes the client. Steaming the hair and skin assists in softening the cuticle and stimulates oil glands for natural lubrication. Towels may be reapplied multiple times until the hair is sufficiently softened. This process not only enhances the shaving experience but also ensures a smoother, more comfortable shave. Pre-shave lotion or oil is applied to the hair and skin after the first hot towel application. It can be used before lathering or combined with soap, cream, or gel. This product protects the skin and reduces irritation, making the shaving process smoother and more comfortable. By incorporating pre-shave products, you enhance the effectiveness of the shave and minimize the risk of discomfort or skin issues. Lather provides lubrication and slip, making it easier for the razor to cut by helping the hair stand away from the skin. Lather can be applied with fingertips or a lather brush, and comes in various forms such as hard soaps, soft soaps, or shaving cream. Hand application involves using circular movements with the fingertips, while brush application requires soaking the brush in warm water before loading it with lather. Applying lather with a brush in a circular motion ensures even coverage and optimal hair softening. The grain of the hair refers to the direction in which the hair grows out of the skin. This determines the razor position and stroke used while shaving. The two most common shaving services are face shave and head shave, and understanding the grain is essential for both. Shaving with the grain reduces irritation and ensures a smoother result, while shaving against the grain removes more length but can increase the risk of discomfort. The face is divided into 14 shaving zones, each with its own hair growth direction. On most men, the hair in each zone grows in the same direction. These zones include areas such as the sideburns, jawbone, chin, neck, and upper lip. Understanding these zones helps barbers perform precise and effective shaves, ensuring each area is treated according to its unique characteristics. The sequence may vary for right-handed and left-handed barbers, so it's important to follow the appropriate guidelines. Shaving position refers to how a razor is held during stroke movement. The cutting stroke is performed at an angle of 30 degrees. If the angle is above 30 degrees, there's a risk of cutting the skin. If below 30 degrees, skin irritation may occur. The razor cuts hair with the point of the blade leading. Maintaining the correct angle and position is essential for a safe and effective shave, minimizing risks and maximizing results. Each shaving zone is shaved using a specific position and stroke. There are 4 main positions: freehand gliding toward you, backhand gliding away from you, reverse freehand semi-arc toward you, and reverse backhand short-cutting strokes gliding downward and slightly outward. Understanding and mastering these positions allows for precise control and adaptability during the shaving process, ensuring every area is treated correctly. Body position directly influences how a stroke is performed. There are 4 main body positions: slightly in front of the client's side, center of the client's side, behind the client's shoulder, and at the client's shoulder. Proper body positioning ensures comfort for both the barber and the client, and allows for optimal control and precision during shaving. Adjusting your stance according to the area being shaved is key to achieving professional results. After shaving, post-shave treatment is essential to calm, soothe, and moisturize the skin. Post-shave liquids help restore pH, close pores, and tighten skin. Moisturizers or balms nourish and hydrate, while post-shave powder absorbs residual moisture and oil. Using the right products ensures the client leaves feeling refreshed and comfortable, and helps maintain healthy skin after the service. Keeping the straight razor ready for use requires hunning and stropping. Hunning involves equal strokes on both sides of the blade, tested by methods like the thumbnail test, TNT, or hanging hair test, HHT. Stropping uses as many strokes as needed to create a smooth razor edge. Proper maintenance ensures the razor remains sharp and safe, delivering consistent results for every shave. The procedural steps for head shaving are essentially the same as face shaving, though some techniques differ. Preparation, lathering, shaving, and post-shave treatment are all crucial. Understanding the unique aspects of head shaving ensures you can adapt your approach and deliver a comfortable, effective service. Let's explore the similarities and differences in head shaving procedures. Preparation for a head shaving service mirrors that of a face shaving service. The client is seated upright, the collar is turned inside, and towels and capes are positioned for comfort and hygiene. Ensuring proper setup is vital for both safety and effectiveness. By following these steps, you create a professional environment and minimize risks during the head shaving process. Draping for head shaving involves placing towels and capes over the neck and shoulders, securing them for both comfort and protection. A cloth or disposable towel is placed over the shoulders prior to shaving. These steps help prevent the spread of disease and ensure the client's skin is protected throughout the service. Proper draping is a hallmark of professional grooming. As with face shaving, a skin analysis is performed before head shaving to identify possible contraindications, texture, growth patterns, and grain changes. This assessment ensures the barber can tailor the service to the client's needs, addressing any potential issues and optimizing the shaving process. Understanding the client's skin and hair characteristics is key to delivering a safe and effective head shave. Steaming for head shaving follows the same principles as face shaving, though the application differs. Fold the towel in half lengthwise, stand behind the client, and position the towel around the head, avoiding the ears. Pinch and fold the towel at the top for a secure fit. Steaming softens the hair and prepares the skin for a comfortable and effective shave. Lather is applied immediately after the pre-shave application, using fingertips or a lather brush. It's important to check with your area's regulatory agency for regulations regarding the use and disinfection of lather brushes. Proper lathering ensures the hair is softened and the skin is protected, setting the stage for a smooth and comfortable head shave. While many of the same techniques and principles apply to shaving the head as to shaving the face, there are important differences. The exterior of the head is lathered and shaved first, with strokes moving downward. The interior is shaved from just below the apex outward in all directions. Understanding these distinctions ensures a thorough and effective head shave. The exterior of the head is lathered and shaved first, with strokes moving downward. The interior is shaved from the area just below the apex outward in all directions. This method ensures all areas are covered and the shave is even and thorough. By following these steps, you achieve a clean and professional head shave. The post-shave treatment for head shaving is the same as for face shaving. It leaves the skin cool and refreshed, helping to restore pH, close pores, and tighten skin. Using the right products ensures the client's skin is nourished and protected after the service, completing the head shaving process with professionalism and care. Mastering beard design procedures ensures predictable results and client satisfaction. Beard design involves shaping, outlining, and blending the beard to create a natural and balanced look. Understanding the techniques and tools used for beard design is essential for delivering professional grooming services. Let's explore the steps involved in preparing for a beard design service. When preparing a client for beard design, draping is performed prior to a thorough analysis. Draping for beard design is similar to shaving services, with adjustments based on whether shaving procedures are included. Analyze the hair and skin for growth pattern, density, disease, disorder, and skin sensitivity. This assessment ensures the service is tailored to the client's needs and any potential issues are addressed. Techniques used for shaping the beard include overcomb, shear overcomb, and clipper overcomb cutting strokes, freehand clipper cutting strokes, and clipper cutting with guards. These methods allow for precise shaping and blending, creating a natural and balanced look. Understanding the tools and techniques for beard shaping is essential for delivering professional results. Different beard areas require different techniques based on density and texture. Medium and fine density areas, such as above the mouth and along the perimeter, are less coarse and longer. Understanding these characteristics helps barbers choose the right tools and methods for each section, ensuring a smooth and balanced beard design. Thick, coarse, and tightly curled areas require different techniques and tools. These sections are typically addressed first to remove initial lengths. By understanding the texture and density of each area, barbers can adapt their approach and achieve a consistent and professional beard design. Different combs are used for beard design. Large combs remove initial lengths in larger areas, cutting combs serve as all-purpose tools, and taper combs are used for blending and smaller areas with trimmers. Selecting the right tool for each section ensures precision and efficiency in beard shaping and blending. Facial hair can be cut using clippers in two ways: freehand blades only and with guards attached. Cutting with the grain removes less length while cutting against the grain removes more. Understanding these methods allows barbers to control the length and texture of the beard, achieving the desired look for each client. Outlining defines the perimeter lines of the beard or facial hair. Trimmers, outliners, are used to create a clean, precise outline followed by a straight razor for a cleaner result. This technique creates the most definition and sharpness, enhancing the overall look and ensuring symmetry and balance. To create the most definition, position the cutting blade against the skin and cut from the center to the jawline, then sideburn to jawline, repeating on the opposite side. Outline the cheek area to connect and blend with sideburns, and outline the mustache to blend with the beard. Always check for symmetry and balance of outlines for a polished look. A natural-looking perimeter visually blends into the skin. Use overcomb techniques to trim hairs on the cheeks and connect with sideburns. Trim the mustache to blend with the beard if appropriate. Always check for symmetry and balance of outline and blending to ensure a seamless and professional finish. Finishing is usually performed after outlines are established. Tools for a clean result include razors and electric razors, while trimmers and clippers create a shadow effect. Wet shaving is the most common method for removing hair beyond the beard perimeter, using steam towels, appropriate razor strokes, and products. Electric shavers provide a quick way to remove stray hair, especially for clients with less dense or coarse facial hair. The final steps in completing a facial hair service include checking balance, refining the design, and discussing appropriate products. Check the outer form line and perimeter lines at cheeks, neck, sideburns, and mustache. Adjust lines as needed and use appropriate post-shave treatments if the service included a wet shave. These steps ensure the client leaves with a polished and comfortable result. To affirm your understanding of key points, knowledge check questions are provided. Reviewing these questions helps reinforce the procedures and concepts covered in the lesson. Take time to reflect on what you've learned and ensure you're confident in your skills before moving forward. Continuing with knowledge check questions, you'll further affirm your understanding of the procedures and skills necessary for face shaving, head shaving, and beard design. These questions serve as a valuable tool for self-assessment and preparation for real-world application. Face shaving knowledge check questions help you review the critical steps and considerations for performing a safe and effective shave. Reflect on your answers and identify areas for improvement, ensuring you're ready to deliver professional results. Head shaving knowledge check questions reinforce your understanding of the unique procedures and techniques involved. Use these questions to test your knowledge and ensure you're prepared to deliver safe and effective head shaving services. Celebrate what you've learned by reviewing the key concepts and skills covered in this lesson. Recognizing your progress and achievements is important for building confidence and motivation. Take pride in your new skills and continue practicing to refine your technique. Validating your learning is an important step in the educational process. By celebrating what you've learned and reviewing your progress, you reinforce your understanding and prepare for real-world application. Continue to practice and refine your skills for ongoing improvement. Take a moment to celebrate your achievements in mastering face shaving, head shaving, and beard design. Recognizing your growth and progress motivates you to continue learning and improving. Keep practicing and applying these skills to deliver professional grooming services. Reflect on the skills and knowledge you've gained throughout this lesson. Reviewing your progress helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for future challenges. Continue to build on your foundation and strive for excellence in every service you provide. Continuous improvement is key to mastering face shaving, head shaving, and beard design. Practice regularly, seek feedback, and stay updated on industry trends and techniques. By committing to ongoing learning, you ensure your skills remain sharp and your services stay relevant. Success in professional grooming comes from dedication, practice, and a commitment to excellence. Celebrate your progress and achievements and continue to set new goals for yourself. Every client you serve is an opportunity to showcase your skills and deliver outstanding results. As we conclude this lesson, remember that mastering face shaving, head shaving, and beard design requires practice, attention to detail, and a commitment to client safety and satisfaction. Continue to refine your skills and stay passionate about your craft. Your dedication will set you apart as a professional barber. Your journey in professional grooming doesn't end here. Continue to seek new learning opportunities, attend workshops, and connect with other professionals. By staying engaged and motivated, you'll continue to grow and excel in your career. Let's summarize the key concepts covered in this lesson. Proper preparation, draping, skin analysis, lathering, shaving techniques, post-shave treatment, razor maintenance, head shaving, beard design, outlining, blending, and finishing. Each step is vital for delivering safe, effective, and professional grooming services. Keep these concepts in mind as you continue to practice and refine your skills. Thank you for joining this lesson on face shaving, head shaving, and beard design. Your commitment to learning and professional growth is commendable. Continue to practice, refine your skills, and deliver exceptional grooming services to every client. The journey to mastery is ongoing, and your dedication will lead to lasting success.